The Sunday Scaries aren't just about Mondays. They're a warning sign that something's broken. And today, I'm going to show you why it's time to escape the 9 to 5 trap for good. Why is it that we've just accepted this as a normal part of life? The truth is, the Sunday Scaries are more than just a fleeting feeling. They're a wake-up call. The Sunday Scaries are your mind screaming, there's something wrong. We've been trained to think that this is just what working life feels like. But what if I told you that this dread is a symptom? A symptom of being trapped in a system that was never designed for you to thrive. Every step along this path is designed to keep you just comfortable enough not to question it. You work harder, get a promotion, but at the end of the day, you're still trading your freedom for a paycheck. It's a rigged game. This doesn't have to be your reality. You can break free from the trap, but it requires one thing, a mindset shift. You need to start thinking about financial freedom. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button, not only to grow your wealth, but also lead a more meaningful life. Financial freedom means building a life where you're not dependent on a 9 to 5 job to cover your bills. It means creating multiple streams of income, investing in assets that work for you, and reclaiming your time. The action plan. We'll have to follow 3 steps to achieve this goal, starting with an audit. Examine your current situation. Start by listing out your current expenses, debts, and sources of income. Understand exactly where you stand financially. If you're buried in debt, there are 2 methods of paying it off: the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your debt from smallest to largest, no matter your interest rate, which helps you gain momentum as each balance is paid off. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debt with the highest interest rate first, which can save you some money on interest over time. Next, you gotta start building additional income streams. This could be anything from a side hustle to investments. The goal is to create a buffer so your paycheck is no longer your only lifeline. Here's where it gets strategic. Prioritize income streams that can grow over time, like a small business, freelance work, or rental properties. These provide more than just an immediate boost. They build long-term wealth. For a simpler option, consider dividend-paying stocks or digital products that can generate passive income. It's not about quick money, but establishing multiple avenues that work for you, even when you're not actively involved. Thirdly, invest in yourself. Develop skills that have high earning potential, whether it's learning to trade or mastering a high-income skill. Everyone has different interests, so find out what you're passionate about. You can start with skills that don't require a big upfront investment, but still open doors, like social media marketing, content creation, or even thrifting and reselling items online. The focus is on growing your knowledge and finding ways to increase your earning potential. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, escaping the 9 to 5 trap isn't easy, but it's possible. And the first step is to acknowledge where you are and use it as motivation to build a life that excites you. Every challenge you face is just an opportunity to start making a change. Instead of settling, let these moments remind you that you have the power to reshape your future. Ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to get closer to my goals? It doesn't have to be a huge move. Consistent, intentional actions add up over time. The key is to start, stay focused, and keep pushing forward, because each step brings you closer to the freedom and fulfillment you're working toward. Ready to break free? Subscribe and start your financial freedom journey today.